Ready to ditch design chaos and unlock the secret to perfectly responsive layouts? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, you'll master Figma's auto layout and design like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Draw a rectangle and add some text inside. This could be anything, like a button. Now, select both layers and click the plus button next to auto layout in the right-hand panel. Boom! You've created your first auto layout frame. See these controls? These are your new best friends here. You can adjust the horizontal and vertical padding around your content. Increase these values to give your buttons some breathing room. You can also control the spacing between multiple items inside your auto layout frame using the spacing between items setting. Try adding another text layer and adjusting this value. Notice how it dynamically spaces the items. Now, let's talk resizing. Select the auto layout frame. You'll see resizing options like hug contents, fixed width, and fill container in the right panel. Hug contents makes the frame perfectly wrap around its content. Try typing more text. The button will automatically expand. Fill container is powerful when nesting auto layout frames. If the parent frame resizes, the child frame will stretch to fill the available space. Perfect for responsive designs. Auto layout isn't just for buttons. Use it for complex components like navigation bars, card layouts, and entire page structures. Experiment, nest frames, and see the magic happen. Don't forget about alignment. The alignment options within the auto layout panel let you control how items are positioned inside the frame: top, center, bottom, left, right, you name it. And that's it. You've now got the basics of auto layout under your belt. Master these techniques, and you'll be designing responsive, scalable interfaces in no time. Keep practicing and exploring. Like and subscribe for more Figma tips and tricks. Now go create something amazing.